Like,
Oh, it's recording.
that's... Well, it's still like 10 floppies, but... Oh, wait, I was talking. You should start over. It's so nice. The amazing Technicolor cheese wedge.
Oh, look at his little legs go. They're so ineffective.
It's because he has to spend half his energy pulling him out from under his fat.